For this recipe, you will need a pound of ground beef, a chopped medium onion, 3 cups of thinly sliced potatoes, a can of condensed cream of mushroom soup, half a cup of milk, a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, a sprinkle of garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste, and a dash of paprika for garnish. Oh, and don't forget the chopped parsley for that extra touch of freshness. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 175 degrees Celsius for our friends using the metric system. Next, grab a skillet and over medium heat. Cook the ground beef and chopped onion until the beef is browned and the onion is soft. Make sure to drain any excess fat. Now it's time to layer your casserole. In a lightly greased 9 by 13 inch baking dish, layer half of the sliced potatoes. Spread the cooked ground beef and onion mixture over the potatoes, and top with the remaining potato slices. In a separate bowl, whisk together the condensed cream of mushroom soup and milk until smooth. Don't forget to season with garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Pour this soup mixture evenly over the potato and beef layers, making sure the mixture seeps into the layers. Cover the baking dish with aluminum foil and bake in the preheated oven for 1 hour. Remove the foil, sprinkle the shredded cheddar cheese over the top, and bake uncovered for an additional 20 to 30 minutes, or until the potatoes are tender and the cheese is bubbly and golden. For the final touch, sprinkle some paprika and chopped parsley over the top for garnish. Let the casserole stand for a few minutes before serving. And there you have it, a hearty southern hamburger and potato casserole that's sure to bring a smile to anyone's face. Don't forget to share your cooking journey in the comments below. And if you found this recipe helpful, give this video a like and subscribe. With your help, we can reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers. Happy cooking, and until next time, keep those ovens warm and those taste buds happy.